Welcome to HS Auto, where we break down the latest machines hitting the streets. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Hero Xtreme 160R, a bike that continues to redefine the 160 cubic centimeters performance commuter segment. Design and build. The 2026 Xtreme 160R keeps its sharp, Streetfighter DNA but adds more refined bodywork, improved aerodynamics, and a sleeker LED lighting setup. The muscular tank and compact tail section give it a bold presence, while new color schemes and subtle graphics add a modern edge. Its lightweight frame continues to be a major advantage for everyday riders. Engine and performance. Hero retains its responsive 160 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine but tunes it for better mid-range torque and enhanced fuel efficiency. Acceleration feels livelier, making city rides more engaging. The revised gearing helps maintain smooth power delivery whether you're navigating traffic or cruising on open stretches. Features and technology. The 2026 model steps up with an updated digital console featuring improved readability and Bluetooth connectivity for call and notification alerts. The bike also comes with multiple ride modes, refined ABS calibration, and improved switchgear quality, bringing a premium feel at an accessible price point. Ride and handling. With its lightweight chassis and well-balanced suspension, the Xtreme 160R remains agile and confidence-inspiring. The updated suspension tuning delivers better stability over uneven roads, while the radial rear tire enhances grip. Braking performance improves thanks to a more responsive disc setup. Final thoughts. The 2026 Hero Xtreme 160R strikes a strong balance between style, everyday usability, and performance upgrades that matter. It's built for riders who want a spirited yet practical machine without stretching their budget. If you're consid